म्हापसा बायपोल अजूनही हे जावंक ना,
हां
फायनलायज कॅन्डिडेट जावंक ना बीजेपीचो. वी हॅव टू वेट till the party decides and see who is the candidate.
Like other political parties says that Joshua needs to carry his father's legacy forward and all. तुमचं कितें म्हणणें आसा हेचेर?
आमी एक आयज उलयत जाल्यार फाल्यां मागीर ते चेंज जावंक पावना उतर. So we'll wait for the party.
But you also feel that Joshua should be given the ticket.
See, हांवें म्हटलें म्हणून पार्टी टिकेट दितली म्हाका दिसना. कित्याक आदी आमी पार्टीक कितें कितें सांगलेलें सालिगांवचें बरें ना सिट्युएशन, सिओलचें बरें ना, तेणी तशें करूंक ना, डिसायड करूंक ना. दे डिडंट टेक अ कॉल. सो let the party take a call, then we'll see what.
But what is your personal opinion about
There is
Maapsa?
no personal opinion.
The
Right now
ticket.
I am BJP party's member. So personal opinion does not matter as far as when you are the party's member. So when I am not party's member, that time we will see.
No.
Right now I am party's member.
Because there are 3-4 names which are coming up in BJP's fold. So
That is purely with prerogative of the chief minister and the party president and those other core committee to decide. Let them decide.
तुमचं काय ना अच्छा नाही तर.
See,
Because-
we have a role to play in Maapsa as a neighboring constituency, and my trip is every second day to Maapsa.
That's what.
But I am not being consulted or anything like that. Let the party decide.
You feel that you should be consulted because you have an active role in Maapsa.
I told you now, आमचे decision does not matter for anybody. Let the party decide, then we'll see.
But Michael will play an active role in Maapsa.
I am always there.
There was a saying that you had said earlier that you would consult advocates, educationists, everybody whom
Yes,
to.
but for then I decided not to talk to anybody because I am not a political party. Neither I am an independent candidate to finalize a candidate. But definitely I will help a good person to win the seat. I will help.